In the Exploration Toolkit, you can set up security cameras, okay? These are objects which can rotate back and forth between two rotations. You can see here, you can have pretty much any sort of rotation you wish for them, and you can change the speed. And you can also have them track objects, okay? This one here is currently tracking this little ball, but you can also have it track the player when they get near. And then, of course, you can view them on computers, as that's probably going to be the main purpose of them, okay? So if you have a horror game and you want the player to be able to preview the security cameras, you can do that using the computer. And if you want to learn more about computers, check out the computer video where we go over how to set these up. But yep, in the security camera screen, you can have a list of the different cameras. You can, of course, specify which cameras you want to list here. And if you click on them, you'll be able to see what that camera is seeing. So we have the black camera, the red camera, which is panning back and forth, and the blue camera, which is the one that's going up and then down. And you can flick through these, and yeah, this is good for a horror game, a puzzle game. Maybe the player is trying to find something in the level. Maybe there's some clues that they are needing to find throughout the security cameras. But yeah, that is a look at those. Now, let's see how they are set up inside of the editor. So, what we do is, to add a security camera, you simply just want to go to the implementation prefab security cameras folder and drag the security camera in. Now, the way the security camera works is, if we open it up, you'll see it has a base model, a pivot, which is going to be that rotation point. And then as a child of that, it has the actual camera, which it uses to output to a render texture. You can see right here, the security camera RT. This is the render texture where we can specify the resolution. And then we also have a volume, okay? You can have a post-processing effects on it because you probably want it to be grainy, maybe some chromatic aberration. So we got that right here, which you can modify as well. And on the actual security camera component itself, you can give it a display name. This is what will appear on the computer. You can then change the frame rate. So if you want to have a laggy security camera to simulate, sort of a very cheap camera, you can do that. You can also choose to activate it on start, which I don't recommend, as the computer will automatically activate and deactivate the camera when it's selected. And then you can choose if you want the camera to rotate over time with a from rotation and a to rotation, as well as the rate at which it will rotate. And for tracking objects, you can of course enable that, specifying the object to track, how fast it tracks it, and also the min and max rotation bounds. So if the object goes outside of that rotation, it will no longer track it. And of course, the object to track can be changed in code as well. So yep, that is a look at security cameras in the Exploration Toolkit.